Hi, welcome to my Cuddly Stitches craft channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to crochet in the back bumps of single crochet stitches. Some people may also refer to the back bumps as the third loop. Normally, you would crochet into the whole stitch like this, but sometimes your pattern will tell you to crochet into the front loop, which is this loop, or into the back loop, which is this loop. But the back bumps are quite different. If you have a look at the wrong side of your work, and let me just grab a needle so I can show you, you will be able to see these bumps on the back of the single crochet stitches. So these little lines is where you will insert your hook. Okay, I'm now going to show you how to do that. But before I show you, I will just share a couple of tips with you that will hopefully make it a bit easier for you. First of all, make sure that you crochet your latest round loosely. Otherwise the back bumps will be too tight to insert your hook into. Then my second tip is to use a smaller hook if you struggle to insert your hook into the back bumps. I normally use a hook which is one size smaller. Okay, so let me show you how to do this. I will be using single crochet stitches. So insert your hook into the back bump. And first I'm going to try to use the hook I have and see if it fits. And it does. So yarn over and pull through. Yarn over and pull through the two loops. I will show you once more. So insert your hook into the back bump and help yourself with your nail if you need to. Yarn over and pull through. And yarn over and pull through both loops. I will show you a few more stitches so you can see what your work will look like. Okay, as you can see by crocheting in the back bump, we have created this nice row of horizontal V stitches that will add a nice decorative touch to your work. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe and hit the bell button so you can get an update each time I publish a new video. Thank you for watching.